In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads, a highly targeted advertising platform that can significantly help build up your business. Navigating this platform may initially seem daunting, but with my guidance, you'll soon see that it's an effective and efficient way to reach out to potential customers online. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is where the magic begins. Google Ads is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to advertise directly to those who are actively searching for products or services like yours. Whether you're aiming to attract eyes on your website, increase phone calls, or drive foot traffic to your store, this is where it all starts. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in button, which you'll find in the upper right corner. You'll need a Google account to sign in. If you don't have one yet, the site will guide you through the steps to create it. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page. It's the dashboard that will greet you every time you log in, offering vital stats and updates about your campaigns. Now, let's get into the campaign creation process. You'll need to locate and click on the Campaign tab. Doing this redirects you to a new page where you'll see an option that says New Campaign. This is your launchpad to start creating impactful campaigns aimed precisely at your desired audiences. In crafting a new campaign, you'll encounter various campaign types to select from. Google Ads offers options such as search, display, shopping, video, and more. Choose the type that aligns with your business goals. For example, if you want to show up in Google search results, the search campaign would be an ideal choice. Each type serves a unique purpose, so take time to think about what will work best for your current marketing objectives. With the campaign type chosen, it's time to define your target audience. Google Ads enables you to hone your audience based on demographics, location, interests, and online behaviors. Imagine you own a local bakery. You might want to target ads to people within a certain radius who have shown an interest in baking or dessert recipes. This targeting precision is what allows you to get the most out of your advertising budget. Remember, the more tailored your audience, the more likely your ads are to succeed. And that's it, you're now set to explore the world of highly targeted online advertising. By thoughtfully crafting and targeting your Google Ads campaigns, you can effectively reach your audience and grow your business. Keep experimenting and refining your approach. Over time, you'll find what works best for your unique business goals. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.